Hi, my name is Estantri Grace, and I am a magister student of North Sumatra University. I will explain some questions that my lecturer has given. The first question is, what is optimality theory? Optimality theory is a linguistic model proposing that the observed forms of language arise from the optimal satisfaction of conflicting constraints. And then question number 2, who proposed optimality theory? Optimality theory was proposed by Prince and Smolensky in 1993. It turns Martinez statements into the actual substance of grammars. Martinez is built into grammars in the form of universal output constraints which directly state marked or unmarked patterns. For example, form vowels are unrounded or syllables are open. Question number 3. How does optimality theory work? Optimality theory holds that all languages have a set of constraints which produce the basic phonological and grammatical patterns of that particular language. Constraints can be classified into two types. First is faithfulness, and then second is markedness. The faithfulness principle constrains a word to match the underlying morphological form, such as plural term plus as in terms. Question number 4. What are the principles of optimality theory? In optimality theory, the relation between input and output is mediated by two formal mechanisms, gain and eval. Gain for generator creates linguistic objects and notes their faithfulness relation to the input under consideration. Eval for evaluator uses the language's constraint hierarchy to select the best candidates for a given input from among the candidates produced by GAN. The constraint hierarchy for a language is its own particular ranking count, the universal set of constraints. Question number 5. What is factorial typology in optimality theory? In optimal theory, a set of grammatical constraints defines a space of possible languages. The space is called the factorial typology. The structure of factorial typologies is linguistically interesting and worth exploring in detail. Question number 6. Why is the optimality theory important? Optimality theory is important because this theory learns how grammars are structured. Then the OT basic assumptions can be best understood in a continuous competing relationship between two categories of constraints, namely faithfulness and markedness constraints. I think that's all for my explanation, and I want to say thank you.